Are you kidding me? It has a Stanley inside. That is sweet. Okay. Rock and roll. All right, guys. I have been waiting all week for this. This is the Amazon mystery box. Now, anything can happen with this. It's like a treasure hunt you can order. There are a plethora of reasons to try an Amazon mystery box. Of course, the exciting surprise element would be number one. The great deals, because the stuff that's typically I've seen comes in these is stuff that just doesn't sell the year it comes out or just right away. It's still very brand new stuff. It all works great. They could be potentially high value items, and if you don't want the gifts yourself, you could always re-gift them or sell them. And of course, you discover new things. Like, you'll see something in here that you didn't even know existed, and it just adds a lot of curiosity and entertainment. So, all right, without further ado, let's do this. Oh my gosh. And it really wasn't that heavy. It was fairly light. I was just kind of surprised at how big the box was. So we're gonna open it up. Okay. I'm seeing some cool stuff in here. Let's see what this is first. This looks like oh, these are pillow covers. Okay. Yeah, we got some nice pillow covers here for the fall. Say like fun sayings on them. That's cool. Ooh, okay. Second, we have a handbag. That's so cute, actually. I love the color. And it kind of reminds me of a Birkin, so that's kind of awesome. All right, what else? Oh, we got more pillow covers. And these look like they're outdoor. Yep. And that is just, oh, it's a set of 2. Very fun. That's going to be great for the summer. What else we have in here? Oh, thank you cards. And they have little animals on them, so it looks like if you have a baby shower, you can send these to your loved ones. That's cute. Oh, a water gun. Very interesting. I have a couple nephews I could give that to. A bridal party game, would she rather? I just got married 2 years ago, so that would have been helpful, but I can always re-gift these to someone who will be in the future. That's nice. Oh, fun. This looks like a mask making kit. It comes with the little wooden sticks and a bunch of masks. Fun. Oh, excuse me. No, this is not a mask kit. This is for those photo booths when you have little things you could put over your face. Little mustaches, a mask. That's fun. A scrapbook kit if you're into crafting. Satin sleep mask. A drone, hello, that's really cool. And it values at $500. Okay. something called a golden bell. Oh, it's an herb grinder. That's nice. Are you kidding me? It has a Stanley inside. That is sweet. Okay. Rock and roll. All right. Oh, a poster kit. It's a kaleidoscope with animals all over it. You get to make it yourself. Very cool. Aw, a little watering can that's in the shape of a unicorn. I have a niece that I could give that to. Oh, some binkies. Very nice. Digi-Optics. I don't know what that is. Let's check it out. Oh. They're sunglasses with bone conduction earbuds. Okay, I have bone conduction earphones, so it looks like you can connect them to these and then you can listen to music through them. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, I like that. Aw, doodle drawing mat. Okay. So this box has been catering to toddlers, and I'm not mad about it because I have 8 nieces and nephews. So this is great, great, great. Nuh-uh, no. Oh. AirPods? Oh my gosh. It's 2nd generation AirPod Pros. Score. Okay, so I've seen people get maybe an Apple Watch or AirPod Pros in their own mystery boxes, but I did not think that this was gonna happen. This is awesome. Yes. Oh my gosh. And that looks like that's the end of the mystery box. I highly recommend this. You saw all the great products that I received, and they value at very high costs, like the drone, for example. If you're not gonna use that, you could easily sell that on the internet for big bucks. These are available on Amazon now. That was super fun. If you want to experience that, I highly recommend you get yours now.